Here's an interesting one. 2012 BMW X5 with this 4.4 twin turbo engine on it, all-wheel drive. The transmission is out of it right now, as you can see. The reason why it's out is because it had an oil leak that seemed like it was a rear main seal. You would drive it and there was oil in between the engine and transmission, and it didn't seem like it was coming from above that. So changed the rear main seal, drove it, still leaking. So put another rear main seal in it, drove it, and it's still leaking. So it doesn't make sense that it's the oil filled the rear main seal. So I take this apart and I find this, which is like the turbo oil return housing deal, and then it goes here, and then that has holes in there, and then it goes whatever. So it's got this super flat gasket here. So I mean, it was leaking from here, but unless there's a hole back there, because I mean, yeah, I'm kind of confused on this one. So if anybody has seen this problem before, or knows anything about this, yeah, let me know. But for now, I'm gonna change that, and hopefully it works. And then I'm gonna see what's under there too, figure out what that is, and change that out as well. So, alright, so I lifted the car up, and I noticed something. It's late, it's dark, I should have gone home hours ago, but whatever. So, there's all the mess up there, took this out, and then I see that the leak is coming from here. So all this time, I changed this twice when it was coming from here. So this has to be somehow a drain for all the oil that leaks up there. And then it looks like your rear main seal is leaking, and it drives you nuts. And then you have to pull this bitch out twice. So hopefully this fixes it, because otherwise I'm just gonna, set this car on fire.